to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but anymore I upload every single day, so you're going to want to subscribe. Today I am doing a new wig by Harlem 125. I love Harlem 125. And this is a braided wig. I'm not super jazzed about braided wigs, but I liked how it looked on the stock card without the braids in, so that's why I wanted to get it in the color and everything, which I love. So you're going to see this in like 2 parts because I'm going to do this part in with the braids, and then I'm going to go back in, take the braids out, and then I'll do my final thoughts. But let's talk about who we're talking about. This is Harlem 125. This is their True Line braid lace wig, and it says elegantly designed braid style, deep side parting. This is TBL34. Harlem 125 doesn't name their wigs. And I have her in the color SGDF0167. I scooped her from Wig Types for $28.96. And she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in a few colors, like more natural blends and then these blonde blends. So far, the texture of this is so soft. Like, the newer synthetic textures are amazing. There's a tiny bit of there's a little bit of a texture. I mean, it's the lightest yaki texture, more of a protein-infused situation. She is about between 16 and 18 inches long. I'm 5'6½". She's lace front, ear to ear, and a lace parting. It is a deep right-sided lace parting. I think the parting's good. I didn't pluck anything. As far as braid, this is a piece of hair that I accidentally cut, which once I take the braid out will be fine. Let me just tuck it into there so it's not distracting. It's definitely a number 2 root. It's a dark root with these ashy blonde. This is a multicultural option in terms of hair texture for sure. A little bit of a light wave, and it does have the face framing highlights. She's got sort of that fishtail braid, which is cute. I just always feel 2 things, like, you can't rough them up, like, because if you do like this, I feel like the braids always, they don't look like they're supposed to look for very long. And I'm not super into braiding in general, so it's not like I could re-braid it. So I think that's a thing. If you really love braids and you can braid easily, I think it would be fine because you could take it out as needed. The braided wigs also do tend to lift right here. I feel like once she is not in the braids, that won't be as big of an issue. But other than that, I didn't even have to put heat on her, but I didn't want to put heat on her yet anyway because I'm taking her down. You can look at her from the back well, let's look at her from the back now, and then again when I take her down. Yeah, I mean, it definitely looks cute, and you could do the thing where you sort of like pull that and clip them together. So, oh, that's really cute. So there's like a versatile style. I like the sombre color. It's definitely an ashy blonde. This is a cool toned option. So if you are one that's looking for a cool toned wig, this would be definitely the color you'd want to pick. Okay, so let me take the braids out, come back, and then I'll do my final thoughts. I had to do a little bit just because when you take the braids out, the hair's a little bit weird. So I had to do a little bit to get that out. It actually came out pretty easy just with the curling wand. I'd, want to do a little bit more here. I did make a little bit of baby hairs just if I decide, to use them. I wanted them to be there. I'm really loving this wig. I love this color. I know this coloring isn't going to be for everybody. But I really enjoy it. I tightened the wig a little bit because at first I thought it was big. I have the back comb in, but I do not have the 2 front combs that are right here in, and I don't feel it moving at all. If I was gonna wear this out, I may just cut in like a little bit of sideburns and just tack those down. I won't tack my wig down, but when you make a little bit of like sideburn situation and then glue those down, see how it would hold the wig down so you don't have to tack the whole thing. So I could possibly do that. Let's look at her from the back. This is a really pretty wig. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. Movement is great. Yeah, I really love that. I did use a little bit of this Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Styling Cream just because it was a little bit frizzy looking with these very light, like icy colors in the front. I have found in general, like these icy colors for 613s, they tend to snag. Not quite sure why. I feel like it's because of the processing, but I don't know that for sure. But you can see snags come out very easily, and she responds to a round brush quite well. So yeah, so far so good with this girl. I do have a few more new Harlem 125 wigs to review. This girl's one of them. So pretty. So you will see a lot of newer wigs coming up very soon. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.